Guys, I have to say, this is the best yogurt I have had. It's from Gita Nagari Creamery. Um, this is a no-kill dairy farm. And their cows are a different breed uh, from your regular dairy cows. And this is the size that you get. As you can see, I'm already halfway through it. I don't normally buy dairy because I think it's kind of unnatural to take milk from another animal. But I have been kind of severely vitamin deficient when it comes to calcium, so I thought I'd give them a try, and I think you guys should also. There's the address.